Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, we are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTap's Laravel package into your Laravel project. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the package. In this part of step 7, we are going to walk the next way of managing a transaction, which is capturing the transaction. Now, as clarified in the previous step, it's a very simple process to capture your transaction. All what you need to do is to create an object from the class payPage and just call the method capture with the required parameters. Now, the required parameters from our capture method is the transaction reference, the order ID, the amount that you want to capture, and the capture description. You can see in this solution article the specification for all of these parameters, and as you can see, it's all are required. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create an object, as we said, from the payPage class. So as done in the first step, we can here create an route called capture and just path it with the controller, checkout controller, and call a method called capture over here. And inside this capture method, we are going to create an object from the class payPage with the required method and the required parameter for the method. Here, you can see that we need to pass the transaction reference, the order ID, the amount, and the capture description. And all what we can do next is return this variable. So, to get your transaction details, we can visit our solution article or we can visit our PayTap's dashboard and get any of the transaction details from here. Please remember that to capture any transaction, it must be of type auth. We cannot capture anything rather than auth transaction type. So here, we are going to take the transaction reference and path it to the function over here. Then we are going to take the order ID, which is the cart ID, of course. Then the amount that we want to capture. Note that you can capture the full amount, so here we can capture the full 30-pound amount, or you can partially capture an amount. So here we are going to partially capture just 15 pounds. And we will leave the description as capture description. So let's try it out. Now we are going to call the route we just created over here, and it will automatically capture the transaction for you. As you can see, it returned a status partially captured. If you go back to our transactions over here inside the dashboard, you will notice the transaction has been changed to capture. And now we have learned how we can capture the transaction successfully. We are ready to go to the next part.